All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at practice set 1 of unit 1, and we're looking at the back page here. So on number 2, it says, given the following motion map where positions have been recorded with 1 dot each second, draw a position versus time graph. This seems to be the hardest step for students, so I'm hoping that today I can help you get started on that. First things first is that my motion map is only going from 0 to 5 meters. So I'm going to label these spots 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 so that I have even increments along my graph. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to count the number of dots and make sure my graph space is large enough. So if this is time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And along here, this is time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's perfectly spaced out to be able to fit all of our data. All right, next thing that I'm noticing is that at time 0, my position is 5 meters. So I'm just going to make a dot right there. 1 second later, I'm at position 4 meters. 1 second later, I'm at position 3 meters. 1 second later, I'm at position 2 meters. What you're going to notice then, your dots stack up, and that means that your object isn't changing positions. So at time 3 seconds, you got to position 2, and at 4 seconds and 5 seconds, you were still at position 2. So I'm going to put a dot at 4 seconds, 2 meters, and also, 5 seconds, 2 meters. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay. Then my object continues to move in the negative direction. So after that, it's at position 1 meter, position 0 meters at 7 seconds. And it again stays there. So at 8 seconds, it's at position 0, and at 9 seconds, it's at position 0. And then it changes directions, and it goes to position 2. So at 10 seconds, it's at position 2. And 11 seconds, it's at position 4. The next thing I would do would be to kind of connect these dots. I will try to make them as straight as possible. Not too bad. That one's not so great, but you kind of get the idea. After you have your position versus time graph all sketched out, I believe doing the following part, which is dirt, direction, initial position, relative speed, and type of motion, shouldn't be too complicated. Hopefully this helps.